Shares of Lyft, meantime, topping the tape today, gaining almost 4% after the CEO, David Risher, disclosed he had bought 100,000 shares. And take a look at this. Lyft's 50-day moving average getting close to crossing above its 200-day moving average for the first time since October of 2021. This stock is in two of our traders' acronyms this year, and so far it has been a drag. So the question, Dan, is it turning around?
Well, possibly. I mean, listen, we all like the idea of a new CEO and the idea that you're going to give them a little bit of a honeymoon period. When you think about a company like this that has an enterprise value of $4 billion versus their next competitor that has nearly $100 billion enterprise value, and the importance of having a number two, that's the way we kind of operate here. I don't think Lyft is going away anytime soon. So when I think about all the reasons that people are excited about rideshare and autonomous driving and all these sorts of themes that are going to change transportation for decades to come, I think Lyft has a brand. They have a foothold. It was in my acronym for the most part because I thought there would be M&A with a name like this.
Compare those enterprise values again.
$4 billion versus $97 billion. Hey, can we update that picture a little bit there, Sandy?
Wait a second, what year?
I mean, like, you know, I don't know. I'm just going to say something. The hair's changed like a little bit. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. Okay. Let's work on that. Okay.
That's a great.
But again, I just, you know, to me, I just think it's kind of a. Look at this. This is what you want right here. No, I don't know. I just think it's kind of interesting. That's it, Tim. It's yours.
To me, this is a combination of the macro is actually their friend. I don't think this is the headwinds of whatever we are coming out of and the headwinds of what we might be going into are not their issue. Their issue are things and issues that are particular to their industry in terms of drivers, in terms of some of the regulatory environment, and it's a competitive landscape. But the bottom line is there's plenty of room for these guys to operate profitably.
Are you guys as a group of believers in autonomous driving vehicles or not?
I'm not getting in one. I'll tell you that.
I'm not.
You're not.
I'm not.
Not for a while.
I'm not. I don't trust.
I don't think they work in cities. I think they're going. I think the first application is going to be long haul driving, that sort of thing. I mean, I think on highways and that sort of thing. I just think for the most part, like right now, there's a group in San Francisco. I just heard a great podcast. I think it was on Hard Fork, which is a New York Times podcast. They were talking about this group that's like opposing autonomous driving. They oppose all cars for the most part. They want to move people towards public transportation, but they're literally putting like orange cones that you get off the street in a construction area on top of the LiDAR thing that's supposed to see everything, and they just stop. That's it.
The cars stop.
So you want to get in one of these things that just stops in the middle of the road. They're coming up to fire trucks, right? And they're stopping and they're stuck. You know, so the whole host of things. It's going to take a long time.
They don't.
But listen, can I tell you this? This is why the whole Tesla thing's a fugazi. They're selling 10,000 full self-driving. You know what I mean? Per car, upgrade software. It's not. He thought we were going to be here already. It's not happening for a decade.
I own one of not one of the full self-driving ones, but even the sort of halfway one is a quirky thing to get used to, and it will.
You having trouble parallel parking?
Stop.
Is that the issue?
Yeah.
Having a little trouble parallel parking? Is that one of those ones that does it?
Problem with that.
Come in and say he doesn't have trouble with anything.
I'm good.
But I mean, you don't. When you're driving, you want to see a Tyler Matheson driving. You know, hanging out, the hair going. You don't want to see him sleeping in the car while some autonomous thing is driving for you.
Once upon a time,